Truck down. Gonna sled down on my ass. Woo! Woo! Fuck. That didn't work.
Oh boy.
Come on, Adam. Roll. Holy shit. Woo. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh God. Woo! I fell. Look at that shit. God damn. Oh.
Only got 2,000 more meters, boys. Enemy 240.
Huh?
Enemy 240.
Enemy 240.
Alright.
You even know what a 240 is?
Yeah.
Talk about just build. Talk about 240 machine gun.
Oh. No, talking about Flex 240.
Oh God, I got snow on my ass.
Oh,
Yeah, let's get moving.
Oh baby.
Bro, let's just get moving.
Baby.
Let's get moving. Not like that. Not too fast. Just take your time, spread out. Follow our tracks we took.
I don't know how frozen my face looked with my beard. My beard feels frozen as shit. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes. Day 47. We're trekking these waters that have been frozen in this tundra. We had a blizzard. It lasted 3 days. This is what we get.
This is the day after tomorrow.
Pretty much.
Welcome to our life now.
Jesus.
Justin, you see that hill?
Yeah.
That hill?
Yeah.
That's Hogsback.
Oh, nice.
It's super cool. Wow, that's awesome seeing it from here. It's a great view.
It's all a great view from here, man. It's nuts.
Hey, let me hold it. Is it recording?
Yeah.
How you doing back there, Adam?
Chilling. Like a villain. And Dylan. I'll penicillin. Billion. Yeah.
And we turned the camera because of that one.
Oh, hey! Do a barrel roll! Should I do a barrel roll?
Do a belly flop. What are the odds you take your stuff off like skinny dipping?
It's not doing anything.
Oh no, just hit my ass!
There you go.
Truck through, boys.
Alright, we're trekking. We're trekking
You
again.
know what would be awesome? If there was people
Yes.
in that car, or people in those cars watching us walk up, and when we came over the little hill, we were just wearing like Everest gear, and it's just like, we're all like frozen over. It's like we got back.
Where'd you guys come from?
We're like, just oh, that little hill. And they're like, what?
You just banged this whole thing. You don't even know.
We lost Johnny. First it was his toes, then it was his legs. The froze.
We had a sailboat and we were trapped out on the lake for months.
They say the black death is gone.
We had to eat the captain.
Oh, it's right. There's a lake frozen for months now.
Our boat's still on the lake.
Son of a bitch.
The lake's not frozen for months now. The lake's not frozen.
Like over there, no, it's not.
The Canadians came by and they couldn't do anything, and all they said was sorry.
That might have been the you person. We don't know.
Might have been. Well,
If we ever have a really intense trip where that, like, is a documentary of what happens, we should just, when the most intense thing is happening, we should just cut to black and then have it just be us, like, sitting in Starbucks, and just our asses just like beat from wherever we went, whatever we did, whatever we experienced, we're just sitting quiet at the peak of the event.
And upload it to Netflix.
It'll be their new series.
no, honestly, like if I went through and did change my major, like I kind of already feeling. If I do this outdoor rec stuff, I would like to do like survival shit
Yeah, I mean, you
out
gotta
and stuff
learn it.
like this.
What I think would be cool is learning like completely how to live off grid.
Oh, I already understand the concept of how to do that, but I want to be able to have my certification for it to make a living off of it and do stuff like this.
I'm just making a joke here, but like he said, make a living off it. It's like they call you after the season, they're like, hey, your phone unfreezes because it's been frozen. I'm like, did you make it? And they're like, you're like, yeah, I made it. And they're like, all right, we sent you a check. We'll call you next winter. We'll call you next spring. If you make it, we will pay you.